This is because you don't give Morty Smith good grades, bitch!
Holy crap, goddamn! I know one thing for sure. I'm giving Morty an A in math, and that's my idea. That is an original thought.
What the hell?
Out of the frying pan, ... huh, Morty?
Oh man, what's going on?
Well, it's possible that your dog became self-aware and made modifications on the cognition amplifier, then turned on Jerry, Beth, and Summer after learning about humanity's cruel subjugation of his species, but your guess is as good as mine, Morty.
I can't believe how mean Snuffles got just because he's smart. This is why I choose to get C's.
Psst, Beth, Jerry, Summer.
Dad!
Rick!
Oh, thank God, Morty.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, let's get out of here. If we hurry, we could set up camp in a sewer tunnel or something before the dogs completely take over.
Whoa. We're not going anywhere. This is my house. I'm not abandoning it.
It's all over, Jerry. The dogs are on a path to total world domination. But hey, at least they know not to piss on your carpet, right?
Wait a minute. I have an idea. Gentlemen, a moment of your time. See that? I'm peeing all over your special guns. That means I own them.
Bad person. Bad.
Ooh, great plan, Jerry.
Bring the boy to me. You were always kind to me, Morty. That's why I will leave you with your testicles. From now on, you will be my best friend and live by my side.
Thanks, Snuffles.
Begin phase 2.
Fighting continues as the dog army captures the eastern seaboard. It appears clear at this time that the era of human superiority has come to a bitter end. Please don't kill me.
What's she saying, Bill?
I think she's saying, I love lasagna.
Thank you, Fido. Rick, I thought you were dead.
No, I was just playing dead. Good news, though, Morty. This whole thing's gonna be over really soon.
What?
It's a dream, Morty. We're in your dog's dream. The night the dogs captured us, after you cried and crapped your pants, we all went to sleep. Then I used my dream inceptors to put the two of us inside Snuffle's dream.
But it's been like a whole year.
It's been 6 hours. Dreams move 1/100th the speed of reality, and dog time is 1/7 human time. So, every day here is like a minute. It's like Inception, Morty, so if it's confusing and stupid, then so is everyone's favorite movie.
Oh, man. I really like this life. Well, at least I didn't really crap my pants.
No, that happened before you went to sleep, Morty. You're sleeping in your crap right now. Out of all the things that happened to you, that was the only real thing that, is that you crapped your pants. I mean, it's a mess out there. I got some on my hands, Morty, and then I got it on the dream inceptor, and a piece fell in my mouth.
Oh, man. Geez, seriously?
Look, don't worry about it, Morty. Here, take these, Morty. Take these.
Are these pills supposed to wake me up or something?
Close. It's gonna make your kidneys shut down.
What?
It's necessary for the plan, Morty. Don't even trip, dog. It's pretty bad, Emperor Snowball. We're gonna need to do another operation.
Anything for my precious Morty.
Sir, as your accountant, I must advise you that these medical expenses are putting you in serious financial jeopardy. You could lose your kingdom.
To hell with my kingdom, bean counter. I would trade it all for my humans' health and happiness.
Do you think they would have done this for us?
We are not them. We are not them. Assemble the troops. I've made a decision. Taking over the humans' world will lead to nothing but more heartbreak, more cruelty. Instead, we will go to a new world and colonize it with a society of intelligent dogs. One that will not make the same mistakes as humanity, and one where pet insurance will be mandatory.
I'm gonna miss you, Snowball.
You can call me Snuffles, Morty, and I'm going to miss you too. Very much.
Jerry?
I'm sorry. It's just like the end of Old Yeller.
Oh, Jerry. You mean because it had dogs in it?
Wow, a whole world populated by intelligent dogs. I wonder what it'll be like, Rick.
I think it'll be great, Morty. You know, it could be developed into a very satisfying project for people of all ages. I mean, I'd watch it, Morty, for at least 11 minutes a pop. You know, maybe they'll do it board-driven.
You know, that's a real comforting idea, Rick.
What do you know, Morty? What do you know?
Hi guys, I'm your new teacher for Scary Class. My name is Scary Mr. Johnson. Actually, you know what? That's my dad's name, so why don't you just call me Scary Glenn, yeah. So anyway, I understand your previous teacher was having you work on fundamentals of fear, which is, what is that? You know, so here's what I say. You can't learn anything until you learn how to chill.
This is how you dream, bitch.
It's a good show.
All right. That was a bit of a confusing episode, but good nonetheless, in my opinion. Till next time.